What's up guys? Ryan Kibbe here at Kibbetech Offroad in Newbury Park, California. We build off-road trucks, mainly desert, race, and pre-run vehicles, and we also do chase trucks, which are usually diesels. So, no-brainer, we hit up Banks to add some power to our 2018 Duramax chase truck build that we have going on, and let's check it out. First thing we went with was the Banks ram air intake. The customer wanted to make decent, reliable power. So this was a no-brainer to start with this one, with the Banks ram air intake, which is massive and gives you a lot more airflow over the stock unit. And it's good for 20 horsepower. Also under the hood, we got the Derringer Inline tuner, which is good for about 60 horsepower and about 112 foot-pounds of torque. And it also sends data to the iDash. Let's go check that out. All right, and here we have the iDash 1.8 data monster. Not only does it control the Derringer, but it also allows you to monitor hundreds of different parameters of your vehicle, and completely customizable with colors and many different gauge layouts and everything you'll ever need to monitor everything that your truck does. All right, to top it off, we got the 5-inch DPF back exhaust kit, and as you can tell, this is like a chase truck pre-runner build. So we're playing with different options on our exit, whether we're gonna tuck it up a little higher up here or push it straight out the back, out the center, somewhere else. So this leaves us our options open for when we finish fabricating our rear bumper and more of our rear suspension. All right, if you guys want to follow along with this Duramax build, go to @Kibbetech on Instagram or subscribe. Right here, subscribe.
Fun, huh?
All the fun, right here, Air 5.
There it is.